Good evening. I am here to ask our council, how safe are our organization protocols? Are we prepared for this pandemic? And can we keep our staff and patients safe? Today, my goal is to persuade the leaders of our organization to change those protocols and provide a better supply of PPE and also offer our patients more telehealth options. Our current protocols during COVID have not been effective. Our staff feels that we need stronger protocols in place. We feel without better ones, we will experience a larger increase in COVID cases amongst our patients and staff within our facility. Today we will discuss what can be done so we all feel safe and protected. With proper screening, proper staff in the front of the building, and possible telehealth options, we can help with COVID within our facility. In the last month, we have had 36 employees test positive or be quarantined for possible exposure. We have had 16 patients come in for appointments and test positive after rapid testing. After surveying our employees, we found only 10% of our employees felt safe at work during the COVID pandemic. We are concerned that when patients come to their appointments, they're not properly screened by our volunteer staff at the front of the building. So we feel having one person from our medical staff and a trained volunteer would be beneficial for our patients and our staff. This allows proper training for the volunteer, and medical staff will always be present. We should also be requiring patients and staff to wear their mask upon entering the building and requiring them to wear that mask during their whole time at the clinic. We decided to survey our patients, and only 16% are willing to come in person for our appointments. The other percentage is in fear of coming in contact with COVID. We also would like a strong supply of personal protection equipment. We're constantly on the shorts of masks, gloves, gowns, and other needed materials. We supply masks to our staff and patients daily. This, of course, causes an increase in PPE usage during the pandemic. We are asking that upon patient arrival, again, that they are screened with questions, and we're taking their temperature at the entrance. And we're asking them to wear their mask full time. According to CDC, wearing a mask lowers your chances by at least 65%. We're also suggesting, again, we offer telehealth services to screen patients who suspect they are having COVID symptoms. Screening them prior to coming in person will prevent any unnecessary spreading of this virus. This will also allow patients to stay home for their appointments and ensure staff and other patients are safe and are not at risk. To help out with our shortage of supplies, we would like to suggest sending out donation request letters to a few of the PPE suppliers listed: MCR Safety, Honeywell, and Lone Star Safety. These are companies we already use and have built relationships with. We could possibly suggest constructing a new supply list to help us keep our supply plentiful. The benefits of making these adjustments: we will fully be stocked with PPE. We will be able to maintain our masks and gowns and stay stocked. Staff and patients will feel protected by requiring our patients and staff to wear their masks full time as they are in our facilities. These adjustments will help to slow the spread of COVID. As we are now at the end of our meeting, we hope you see the importance of making these adjustments and making everyone feel safe. Notice how strong our protocols could be. Notice how strong our safety measures could be for our patients and our staffs. Notice how we would be able to slow the spread of COVID. Notice how we would be able to keep our staff on the clock instead of at home. We have touched on our staff and patient concerns. We talked about possible solutions for making and keeping everyone safe. We talked about using telehealth and proper screening, also reaching out to our current suppliers for further assistance. Please take our thoughts into consideration, as we all want to feel like we matter. If we keep these stronger protocols in place, this will help our facilities. Let's help everyone feel safe and stop the spread of COVID. Thank you.